Friends, welcome to this session. We are going to learn S3 in this session. As earlier we see the IAM policy and how to configure IAM policy. We have also to see that configuration of IAM in a lab. And here we are going to learn S3. S3 is the storage where uh, data will be stored in S3, and basically S3 is object based storage. So let's start. So S3 provides developers and IT teams with the secure, durable and highly scalable object storage. Basically S3 is the object based storage, is very secure and durable. It's a very scalable, also supported. So it's very good. Amazon S3 is easy to use with simple web services interface to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the web. So it's really easy to use. From anywhere you can upload data and download data, retrieve. It's really availability is 99.99%. You can retrieve data from anywhere, so it's good. Let's move. S3 is a safe place to store your files. It's a really very secure place. As I told that it's object based storage, so it's giving the object based storage. It's not recommended for database storage and OS storage. So S3 is object based, allowed to upload files. You cannot install database and OS as Amazon has the different, as Amazon has different uh, services like DynamoDB for database storage. Files can be from 1 byte to 5 TB. Uh, you can upload file till 5 TB size. There is unlimited storage. You can store the data unlimitedly. Files are stored in a bucket in S3 where you store files. It's giving the name as bucket, so you can refer as the name as folder. S3 is a universal namespace. Basically, when you give the name for S3, the name should be the unique. It should be the globally unique. So you need to take care when you creating the bucket. So you need to just take care the bucket name should be the unique. Basically, operations when you write any data in S3, it's giving the immediately consistency for that same data. You can immediately read that data. So it's give the consistency for data which you are writing, and for updation operation. So when you when you put and delete and updation that operations, so it takes some time to propagate. So it might take a time. So it will not immediately available for every times. So you need to just take care for these things, because basically these things are asked in uh, interview, and it is also important for the exam. S3 is object-based storage, basically store like key and value. So key is the name where you data, and value is you need to put the actual data. Also, there are the version ID. You can keep the data versioning on up. So basically, once you are updating the same file, so it will keep managing your version for the file. Metadata is the data about data. It's for you what I storing. It's giving the reference for your data. Amazon guarantees 99.99% ability for the S3 platform. It's wonderful. Amazon guarantee 99.9 times the durability for S3 information store in Amazon cloud. Uh, it's also tied storage available. Lifecycle management. Lifecycle management. You can create a policy like when you want to move your classes from uh, S3 to the Glacier or S3 to the IA, or you want to delete your bucket, you want to clean up your bucket, you want to expire a bucket, so you can manage your life cycle. Versioning, you can restore the older version files also. So you can also check, you can managing your version. Encryption, it data would be the secure, you can manage your encryption with given algorithm in a S3. Access control and bucket policy, you can give the access control with the different roles and different services, and you can also give the bucket document policy, so you can assign the policy different for the users and other AWS resources. So let's learn storage tier for S3. So there are S3 is 99.99% availability is there, 99.9 times 9 durability, store redundancy across the multiple device in a multiple facility, is designed to sustain loss of two facility concurrently. So it's 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 giving the sustain for your data in case of the two availability is facility loss. So it's S3 is very good durability in this case. S3 IA infrequently access for data that is accessed less frequently but required rapidly access when needed. Lower fees than S3, but you are charged as a retrial fees. So S3 IA is low costly than S3, lower fees than, but you are charged as a retrial fees. So whatever you access the data, it will charge as per you access the data. And next one is RRS, reduced redundancy storage, designed to provide 99.99% durability and 99.99% availability of storage over given. So basically data which are normally reproducible and lower importance, so you can use the RRS. Glacier is very cheap but used for the archival only. It's take to 3 to 5 hours to restore from the Glacier. So basically, archive data used for archive data store used for the Glacier. It's taking some time to load, but it's really very cheap. So this is the comparison for all three tiers. So here you can see the durability, availability, concurrently facility fault tolerance, SSL support, first byte latency, and lifecycle management. So all are there almost equally, but there are only RRS is the fault tolerance is one. So summary of the storage and tier. So S3, as I said, this is durable, immediately available, frequently access. S3IA, durable, immediately available, frequently access. RRS, data that is easily reproducible, such as thumbnails that you can use. Glacier, archive data. So basically, when architecture have to decide this form, that it needs to be very conscious for the use cases and the requirements. So how to choose out of this tire, so he need to be very cautious. S3 charges, how S3 takes the charges. Basically S3 is charged as for storage based on the request and based on the data transfer, so it will gives a different charges format. uh, Thank you guys. This is all about the S3. Further in next coming session, we are going to learn S3 lab, how to create bucket, and we'll learn that things. Please subscribe my channel for AWS easy learning. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.